We just finished up this truck. It has the TRD strut in it, the part of the TRD kit. All we needed was the strut. You can see the brake lines here have plenty of tension on them, or plenty of room for extension. The wheel is fully turned right now, so even at full droop, it's not overextending itself. These are the factory TRD axles that work just fine. You can see the upper control arm is factory. The factory upper control arm works fine. Line's great. There's plenty of room for slack here. There is over a finger's amount of space behind the control arm at full droop. It does not need any bump stop spacer here, but you can see this is worked out really well and minimal cost. You do not need all the extra parts. We'll go around the front here. You can see it has the factory front sway bar mounted in the factory location here. And when we look across here, you can see the angles are not severe in any way. And the sway bar lower end links are also fine. And you can see we have room here behind the wheel, plenty of room here, plenty of room back in here. And you can see the TRD strut right there on this truck. We ran a 1.5 inch spacer on the rear because the gentleman that owns this truck wanted a little bit of a rake. So it ended up having about a 3/4 of an inch rake front to back. So you could run the 1 inch on this and still have a 1/4 inch rake front to back if you wanted it more level on this truck. But you can see here just how nice it sits, and it drives like better than the factory TRD Pro truck did without any lift in it, and it drives better than the TRD kit does with the lift kit totally in it. So I wanted to share this with you. A fraction of the cost. There's no special things needed. The only thing is needed are the red axles with this, but this truck came out amazing, and the customer has already driven it, and he says he cannot believe how well it drives. So, and we've done a lot of trucks with the Pro suspension, the factory suspension, and this by far rides better than anything that we've driven before. So want to share that with you. Hope you guys enjoy it, and please reach out to us with any questions. We're in development with the ABS stuff with this right now, and a couple other things that we're going to share with you as well. So again, thanks for watching.